What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Negative Edge. I'm here to showcase another dynamic layout made by yours truly. This one right here is for a client, David M. Smith. I call this Futuristic Red because, you know, the sleek and the black and red color scheme. Alright, let me showcase what this layout does. Excuse me. Let me showcase what that layout do. I don't know, man. I'm a little nervous. Well, not nervous, but, you know, I got to practice doing this more, but forgive me. Anyway, let's showcase this layout. As you can see, before I press this button over here, we on OBS Studio, and this should work for Streamlabs. Not sure if I could do this on XSplit, but I will get back to you on that. But anyway, I have the control page for this layout docked into OBS, and I know I got to do it in Streamlabs. Anyway, excuse me. We about to click this button right here. Start stream. When I click it, watch what happens. What's going on, everybody? This your boy Negative Edge in this junky ass office, because you see all the shit behind me. I'ma clean it up, and you know, I'll you know, make it neat and make it nice and showcase it because I'm flashy as fuck. Anyway, just the layout right here. As you can see, when I pressed that button, it did a whole transition into the, you know, the actual layout for streaming. So, you know, like I'm streaming King of Fighters, you know, it's not really me playing. It's just a random YouTube video I'm using to capture because I don't actually have the game. But this was, excuse me, this is for demonstration purposes. But anyway, you know, the chat connected. If I was on this Twitch chat, all the messages would show up, you know, in this area right here. You got the stream, you got his stats, newest follower, newest subscriber. If I was live streaming, it'll show everybody that's watching me. You know, then I got the amount of followers and the amount of subscribers is, you know, I got, well, actually, this person's got, because this is his stats, not mine. But anyway, yeah, as you can see, you seen the jukebox alert. That's, this layout is linked to my YouTube script, you know, for, you know, to showcase your playlist. And you get the dynamic alert showcasing the name of the song, the little thumbnail banner and stuff like that. And then it shows the full name of the track playing below. You know, little feature, show off feature, you know me, I'm flashy as hell. But anyway, if you pay attention to the layout, like around here, around the borders, I did a little custom effect, you know, a little post, like, you know, animated light up effect. You know, it, you know, zooms in and, you know, fades out, you know, just me being me, you know. And I don't like boring stiff layouts. I always do extra stuff, go above and beyond, because that's what I do. That's what Negative Edge does. Negative Edge, plug and play layouts. Everything is excuse me, everything is loaded through a browser source. You don't need any extra scenes or sources or whatever just to pull off what I did. All of that is hard coded into the layout, and all you need is a single browser source. I built these layouts like dynamic websites with like 3 or 4 programming languages to pull off the type of stuff I could do. But anyway, let's say we want to take a break. You know, I gotta use the bathroom real bad or whatever, so you know what I'm saying, let me hop off the stream right quick and I'll be right back, folks. So we go over here to the control page and click take a break and watch what happens. Alright, looks like I gotta make some adjustments right here because you can still see this game and stuff in the background, but it's going to cover all that up once I'm done and I'm taking a break. Gotta piss. You know, nature calls, shit happens. Anyway, okay, wash my hands, I'm back. Let's stream. Let's get back to the stream. So we go to the control page, click breaks over, and then watch what happens. I'm back, y'all. You know, beautiful transition, little flashy effects. It's your boy Negative Edge. That's what I do. Anyway, that's why my layouts stand out from a lot of people. And I give y'all quality. Might take me a bit because I'm trying to catch up on work, or I'm like doing 2 or 3 layouts at a time. But this is what people pay for, and I want to deliver. I want to continue to deliver, and I want y'all to come back to me. I don't do this for the money. This is a passion. I love doing stuff like this, and I'm always on the side trying to improve my craft. And when I do, I'll come out with something, showcasing on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, any social media any social media platform that I'm on. And y'all like it, y'all hit me up, we go from there. But anyway, I'm hungry now, so let's take another break. So we go over here. You might want to change your message. As you can see, you got 3 of them on here. When you start your stream, or about to before you even start your stream, you could change that message to whatever you like. Taking a break, change it to whatever. Ended the stream, change it to whatever. Once you do that, like now, I'm hungry as hell, so I'm about to type I am hangry as fuck. Alright, so we update that. That'll mess with the buttons. The message has been updated. So let's go take a break. I'm about to grub. There you go. You can change it to whatever you want. It's best to do that before you actually hit the break button, so the new message will load up and show. Alright, I'm done eating. Wash my hands. Ready to stream some more. Break's over. Let's click that button. And we back once again. Alright, so as you can see, basically you can control this layout from this little control page that you could dock into OBS. I'll show y'all how to do that in the future. But anyway, it just makes things simpler, for the streamer. Like I said, it's like having the Stream Deck without needing the Stream Deck itself. Hotkeys or whatever. Just a simple click of a button, you got full control of your layout. Once again, the negative edge way. Alright, let's end the stream. Click end the stream, and we out. Holla at you. Look at that transition. God damn, I'm good. But yo, not to get a big head or be conceited and nothing like that. Yo, I enjoy doing stuff like this. I enjoy outdoing my previous works. So what I'm saying, that's me evolving, that's me growing right there. But anyway, like I said, I click that button. This is how you end the stream. Okay, let's say you close OBS or whatever streaming platform or application that you use, and you load it back up. Okay, how do I reset everything? Not a problem. If you end the stream, your control page is always going to have this button called reload or stream, even on load. So if we want to restart our stream, like preload everything, just click reload stream. Alright, you see it changed to start stream. Even the layout says starting stream, stream starting soon. And start stream and do it all over again. Yeah, this took some time to get right. This took some time to perfect. But this is going to be the system right now. This is going to be, I guess I could say, this layout as far as the coding structure for what I just showcased is going to be like my personal template where I could use for future layouts, and giving the streamer full control over their layout. I'm gonna add a button as well in the future where you could preview custom alerts, if you just want to show it all for your viewers and stuff like that. I haven't put that on here yet, but that's to do. As a matter of fact, when I get off this video, or when I finish this video uploaded, that's the next thing I'm gonna work on. I'll showcase that. I'll showcase that too. Yeah, it just be like buttons like this. I'll probably put it somewhere on the bottom where you could like preview, you know, your custom alerts I might have developed for you. That for, you know, the followers, subscribers. I'm working on hype train and all the other stuff, but that's later on down the line. But right now, followers for sure. I haven't put it on here yet. I am working on it, and like I said, since I'm doing the control page to control your layout, I have those features on there too, where you could just play with it and show it off. You know, if you just want to show your new viewers, you know, look, yeah, look at this cool thing a Negative Edge did right here. Yo, check this out, and you click it, and it just does whatever, and you know, just blow your viewers' mind. You know, that's my goal right there. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Mr. David Smith, this layout will be ready later tonight. We'll hook up on your Twitch and I'll help you get it set up, so you go ahead and do your thing. All right, now, Negative Edge. Oh yeah, I meant to tell you, the Negative Edge website is live and you'll see all my works there. I am making the shop that's in development right now. I have some pre-made layouts available for purchase. I even have one where you could demo just to see how things work and just to see how, you know, how I do things or whatever. But anyway, that's coming soon. That's in the works. And I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. End of the stream right now with the click of a button. Damn, this is beautiful.